for land, and it is therefore a great injustice that 60 years after independence the people of Kilifi are still landless and squatting on land that is held by those who are in positions of power then. Honorable Speaker, I do not know who this one director is that is referred to in this petition, unless the Honorable Buyer tells us, but I can bet almost 100%, Honorable Speaker, it is the same people who are in the first government of the independent Kenya. Honorable Speaker, as I say, it's not just in Kilifi, even in central Kenya and the greater part of what was formerly the White Highlands, land that was productive ended up in the hands of a very few people, Honorable Speaker, at the expense of the millions who sacrificed their lives to fight for independence, largely on the basis of land that had been occupied by our former colonial masters. Honorable Speaker, it's therefore imperative that the committee embarks on considering this petition as it considers all the others that have been sent to them, but particularly these ones that touch on land. I want to ask the Public Petitions Committee to take them with the urgency that they deserve, because land is a very, very emotive issue, not just to the people of the coast region, but also to other parts of the country. Honorable Speaker, and I remember, Honorable Speaker, when we were campaigning, we did promise the people of Kilifi and the greater coast region that the issue of absentee landlords must and should be addressed by this administration, and therefore it is imperative also that the committee considers, in view of what the Kenya Kwanza administration promised the people of the coast region, that they will no longer be squatters on their own ancestral land, and this land should go back to its rightful owners, which is the people of Kilifi, and those that are in the Mount Kenya region must also get justice, just like the people of Kilifi. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I beg to support.